What is the limit of our income? Sky is the limit. All the MLM company, DXN is the only company who is truly believe in MLM. We are a true MLM company, from planting, from manufacturing, from selling. We are vertically integrated company, one process company. When you join member in Philippines, when you go to Hong Kong, are you the member of DXN? When you go to UAE, are you the member of DXN? When you go to America, are you a member of DXN? Yes. One world, one market. We are a one market company.
Indeed, it is a coveted position derived from a smart adoption of what we call the One Dragon, One World, One Market concept.
Marketing Company of the Year, and the award goes to Datuk Dr. Lim Siow Jin, DXN Marketing India Private Limited.